Hey guys, it's Pauline. I just wanted to come on really quickly because I'm at work. I wanted to decorate the little table at work. Everybody this month is bringing something, so we're having like 25 days of Christmas. So my day, I thought I would do a hot chocolate and treats bar. So this is what I came up with. This is the little sign that I made. This is from Dollar Tree, and all I did was these were Mary Days stamps. Most of these. Now this is from what's that other company? Uh, I don't know. I can't think of the name of that company. But they have green writing. They kind of remind me of Kelly Perky, but anyway, um, I'll think of it later. But these come from that. It's like a coffee and tea stamp set. But the rest of this is all, except for this. This, I went through all my stamps, and this was the only stamp I could find that actually says hot cocoa. It's ridiculous. I got like 100 stamps, and this was the only one I could find. I found images of hot chocolate, but I couldn't find any that actually said out the word. But anyway, most of this came from Mary Days, different Mary Days stamp sets. And those stickers are from a Mary Days sticker set. Um, so that's all I did was stamp it in white. I think it's a Memento Brilliant white. And I was so afraid that this was going to get messed up in transit. So I heat gunned it, and it seemed to stay after I did that. So I'm trying to whisper. so um, so I wrote on these. These are some shipping labels that came from Office Depot. I didn't really care for my handwriting, but I just went with it. And then those stickers, they came from Hobby Lobby. Um, I just put those little stickers on there. Now these, they came from Dollar Tree, and all I did was put a little, then the ribbon came from Dollar Tree. I finally found this little honey, and so I tried to make it look like he had a little scarf on. This is wood from Michaels that I painted. Um, this is that little crate back there. That is from Dollar Tree, and I painted it too. Those cups are from Dollar Tree. They're in the party, like the birthday party section. And then I just put some twine around each one of those. All those jars come from Dollar Tree. I think it really looked cute. Those kisses, I had to buy $4 worth of kisses to make that look like it was full. Those are 2 packs, so those are $2 in mix. So and then those chocolate chip cookies, those are Chips Ahoy, and they do fit in those things because I was worried about that. All the tea packets came from Dollar Tree, so everything came from Dollar Tree except for these treats. These treats came from Dollar General. This was the most expensive because those Hostess cakes are expensive. So anyway, but I had a $20 budget, but I didn't realize how much those Hostess cakes was gonna cost. So I went over my budget, probably about $10. So anyway, that little bow that also comes from General Dollar, but it was only $1, and so I put it on this crate. So about 3 of those crates from Dollar Tree, but I only used 2. Those cups are from Dollar Tree, so I think they came out good. Oh, and then this tablecloth came from Dollar Tree. So I think it all came together nicely. I'm really happy with the results. So I think that's it. I think I've explained everything. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.